Instagram stories and Instagram reels are two of the most effective ways to engage your audience with short and snappy content. Both features allow you to share more casual, behind the scenes content that helps keep your audience engaged. Instagram stories allow you to share content that disappears after 24 hours. Because of this, they're perfect for promoting more in the moment happenings around your pub, like daily specials or prepping for an event. Stories can also include interactive features like poll questions, countdowns, and links, which make it easier to engage followers. Here's an example of an Instagram story behind the scenes in the kitchen of the pub, showing off some of the chefs preparing some of the great dishes. You could also use stories as ways to promote teasers. Maybe you're about to announce something. Using an Instagram story as a way just to build a little excitement is a really good way of doing that. Engage your audience by adding interactive elements to your stories, such as location tags, music, and stickers. Polls and question stickers are great for getting feedback and driving engagement. You can use these polls and quizzes to engage your followers. You could share quick behind the scenes clips of your pub's kitchen or bartenders at work. Or you could promote upcoming events with countdown stickers and links to the event to build anticipation. Here's a great example of a pub using an Instagram story sticker, and this one's called the link sticker. So where it says book here, a user can simply tap on that sticker and be taken through to the pub's website. You can set these up so they go to any URL you want, and you choose the text on the sticker as well. Great for driving people towards your bookings, your menu, or any events which you're running. Another great type of sticker is the countdown sticker. A user can tap on that to receive a reminder when the countdown has finished. So again, this is a great way to drive more awareness and engagement around any launches that you're doing. Maybe your Christmas bookings are opening on a certain day, or maybe you've got a sale or a special offer on too. So to set these up, you simply need to create an Instagram story. Then you need to click on the stickers button, which is the smiley face at the top right hand side. And here you have access to all of the stickers that you can add to your stories. Some of the most popular ones include the link sticker. This is where you add the URL, and then you can also customize the sticker text on top of that. We've then got the poll sticker, which is where you can ask people to vote on something. You've also got the questions sticker, which is useful if you want to gather questions from people or even ask people to answer something for you. The emoji slider, which is a way for people to show their emotion by choosing where on the scale they would rate something, and you can use any emoji for that. And you've got a whole host more if you continue to explore that section. Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos that can help you to reach a wider audience. With Reels, you can showcase your pub's atmosphere, menu items, and general customer experience in a way that's entertaining and easy to consume. Keep your reels short, punchy, and packed with personality to show off your pub. Reels are often shown to people who don't already follow you, so they're a great strategy for attracting brand new customers. Here's a great example of a pub promoting an offer on Instagram Reels. They've used a series of clips of their famous fish and chips, and they've added in the caption and on top of the video itself using text that you can get that for less than £10. Instagram Reels are perfect for announcing new menus, events, or promotions. Use music, effects, and text overlays to make them visually appealing and entertaining. Here's some examples of pubs promoting offers on Instagram Reels. You can use Reels to promote upcoming events, new menu items, or special offers, like in this example. So, nice way to promote the new wine on the menu. You can also use Reels to highlight customers' experiences or to showcase a bit more behind the scenes at your pub. Let's look at another way that a pub have used Reels to promote an upcoming event. So in this example, the pub is using newspapers once again for promotion. And on the newspapers, the date of the event has actually been drawn on. So quite an eye-catching and fun way of promoting an event, making it memorable to anyone viewing.